So the other part of the TCP/IP protocol suite I'll discuss in this class. So we from this it is related with the first part. So message is reassembled correctly upon arrival at the destination and replace packets which were lost in transmission. So connection control, it includes two types: connectionless transport layer. So each segment is considered as an independent packet and delivered to the transport layer, the destination machine. But in case of connection oriented transport layer, before delivering the packets, connection is made with transport layer, the destination machine. So here next we come to network layer. This layer is also known as internet layer. So the main purpose of this layer is to organize or handle the movement of data on networks. So by movement of data, we generally mean routing of data over the networks, and this layer is responsible for addressing, packaging, and routing function. The core protocols of the internet layers are IP, ARP, ICMP, and IGMP. The IP means the internet protocol is a routable protocol responsible for IP addressing, routing, and fragmentation and reassembly of packets. The address resolution protocol ARP is responsible for the resolution of the internet layer address, that is IP address, to the network interface layer address, that is MAC address, such as hardware address. So and other protocols, the Internet Control Message Protocol ICMP is responsible for providing diagnostic functions and reporting errors due to unsuccessful delivery of IP packets. Similarly, the IGMP, the Internet Group Management Protocol, is responsible for the management of IP multicast group. So if we see the transmission from the source machine, data from transport layer segment is sent to the network layer, and network layer is become packet, and then packet is sent to data link layer, and in data link layer packet are divided into frames. In the other end, frames are again processed, again goes to network layer, and it combine and make packet, and again make packet is sent to the transport layer in the destination machine. The translate logical network address into physical address concerned with circuit, message, or packet switching. Routers and gateway operates in the network layer. Now, the Internet Control Message Protocol is responsible for providing diagnostic function. Now we see the how communication take place from one source machine to target machine. So here suppose we take our laptop to find some informations of web server from the destination machine. Then the application layer HTTP works in application layer, then TCP transport layer transmission control protocol, in network layer IP protocol, and in data link layer. So messages, the frames are sent, media or data transfer through Ethernet. Then again in the destination machine, data link layer takes the bits and makes frames. Then from frames, it is frames are sent to network layer in IP with the help of IP protocols, and then packets are formed in the network layer, and packets are sent to the transport layer of destination TCP, and in transport layer TCP protocol transmission control protocol works, and then these segments were sent to application layer of the destination machine. In this way, communication takes place from source to destination machine. Now come to data link layer. Data link layer is most reliable node-to-node delivery of data. So it forms frames from the packets that received from the network layer and gives to its physical layer. So it also synchronizes the informations which is to be transmitted over the data. Error controlling is easily done here. So here, if we see the data from network layer, the packets are sent to the data link layer, and in data link layer the packets are divided into frames, and frames again sent to the physical layer, and in physical layer raw bits, binary bits, so data are divided into several bits, and bits are transmitted through transmission media and destination machines. The physical layer accept these bits, and from this again it sent to the data link layer, and then data link layer from framing the bits, and again it sent to the network layer of destination machine. So protocol of this layer determines which of the device has control over the link at any given time when two or more service devices are connected to the same link. Now, error control is achieved by adding tailor at the end of the frame. Duplication of frames are also prevented by using this mechanism. Frames are the stream of bits received from the network layer into manageable data units. The division of stream of bits is done by data link layer. So this is the switch and bridge which are used is this layer. So switch and bridge are layer to devices. Now physical layer. So physical layer is the lowest layer to all. It is responsible for sending bits from one computer to another. This layer is not concerned with the meaning of bits and deals with the physical connections. So this layer defines the electrical and physical details represented as 0 or a 1. So this physical layer defines the rate of transmission, which is number of bits per second. So physical layer deals with the synchronization of the transmitter and receiver. The sender and receiver are synchronized at bit level. So devices must be connected with the following topologies: mesh, star, ring, and bus topologies. So in this way we see the data from the presentation layer. So segmenters come to session layer, and in session layer synchronizations happen, then sent to data transport layer, and in transport layer from source machine it's sent that are sent to transport layer of destination machine, and again from transport layer it delivers to the session layer with synchronizations, and then from session layer to presentation layer. So physical layer defines the direction of transmission between two devices. It may be simplex, half duplex, and full duplex mode of transmission. So deals with physical layer deals with baseband and broadband transmission, and hubs and repeater are used in this layer. So hubs and repeater are physical layer device. Now thank you. With this I am conclude my lecture. So next class we will meet with another topic of computer networks. Thank you.